So folks, there are times when we want to retrieve the diagonal of a particular matrix. Okay, and in this video I'm going to cover that only. So let's use some existing matrix. We'll use this one only. Okay, so get the diagonal of a matrix. Okay, let me make this matrix a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, all right. So the way we find out or get the diagonal of a matrix is we will type the matrix name and diagonal like this. So you will be able to see that we have got the diagonal of the array, which is 1, 4, 5, right? So that's the way we find out the diagonal of a matrix. So guys, this is it for this video. I will be covering next topics in the upcoming video. So keep on watching. Thank you.